The symptoms and risks of 7 nutrient deficiencies you can't ignore. Nutrients are essential for our body to function properly, and a balanced diet is crucial for maintaining good health. However, many people may not realize that they are not getting enough of certain nutrients, which can lead to deficiencies and health problems. In this guide, we will explore 7 common nutrient deficiencies, including their functions in the body and the symptoms that may arise when we don't get enough of them. Iron. Iron deficiency is one of the most common nutrient deficiencies in the world, especially among women and children. Iron is important for the production of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in your blood. Symptoms of iron deficiency include fatigue, weakness, and pale skin. Vitamin D. Vitamin D deficiency is also common, especially in areas with limited sun exposure. Vitamin D is important for bone health, immune function, and mood regulation. Symptoms of vitamin D deficiency include fatigue, bone pain, and muscle weakness. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 deficiency is more common among vegetarians and vegans, as it is primarily found in animal products. Vitamin B12 is important for nerve function, DNA synthesis, and red blood cell production. Symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency include fatigue, weakness, and tingling or numbness in the hands and feet. Calcium. Calcium deficiency can lead to weak bones and teeth, as well as muscle cramps and spasms. Calcium is important for bone health, muscle function, and nerve transmission. Symptoms of calcium deficiency include brittle nails, tooth decay, and muscle weakness. Magnesium. Magnesium deficiency is also common, especially among people with certain medical conditions like diabetes and gastrointestinal diseases. Magnesium is important for energy production, muscle and nerve function, and bone health. Symptoms of magnesium deficiency include muscle cramps, nausea, and fatigue. Potassium. Potassium deficiency is rare, but can occur in people with certain medical conditions or who take certain medications. Potassium is important for heart health, muscle function, and fluid balance. Symptoms of potassium deficiency include muscle weakness, cramping, and fatigue. Zinc. Zinc deficiency is more common in developing countries, but can occur in people with certain medical conditions like Crohn's disease and sickle cell anemia. Zinc is important for immune function, wound healing, and protein synthesis. Symptoms of zinc deficiency include slow wound healing, diarrhea, and hair loss. It's important to maintain a balanced and varied diet to ensure you are getting all the nutrients your body needs. If you suspect you have a nutrient deficiency, it's important to talk to your healthcare provider to determine the best course of action. They may recommend dietary changes or supplements to address the deficiency.